Girish is calling us from Bengaluru about ONGC. Girish, good morning. How can we help you today?
Sir, but ONGC at 300 levels. Can I hold? Can I sell, sir?
Okay, what is the time horizon that you have, and have you been tracking the company?
Sir,
how long?
More than 1 year.
Okay, more than 1 year. So, okay,
Yeah.
All right. So, you're looking for a fundamental view or a technical view?
Technical view, sir.
Technical view. Okay. Kushal, results today on ONGC, certainly something that might move the stock price. But on the technicals, what is the recommendation that you would give?
ONGC is trading at a very precarious levels, and it's trading very thinly. I see there's some buyer's demand happening in the stock, which is a positive development. But in that, when I have to look at the price strength, the EPS strength, as well as group strength, it's significantly low. So my sense is to just hold on for a short-term trading opportunity. Probably the today's results can act as a catalyst. So my sense is to hold on to the stock for a very short-term opportunity near 281 followed by 289, and have a very strict stop loss near 245.
All right, so that's the view coming in on ONGC. Moving on to the next query that we have. This query is on PN Gadgil, and this is from Ravi, who's from Pune. He wants to hold PN Gadgil from a 1-year perspective, and he is asking whether this is the right time to buy or not. Avinash, I'll come to you. Kalyan Jewellers posted its results today, and they were a good set of numbers. The stock is also up on the back of that. PN Gadgil is another player, although much smaller than Kalyan Jewellers, but do you think it's the right stock to buy against big players like Kalyan Jewellers and Senco Gold?
I think the entire jewelry space has been doing pretty well. If you look at Kalyan or you look at Senco Gold, which operates largely in Eastern India, I think PN Gadgil definitely also has a very niche positioning in the market. And I think, the only part which the investor should realize is that, these stocks have gone up significantly. So I think if one were to invest at these levels, the tail room for growth is definitely there. Gold, as an asset class has been attracting a lot of buyers. And most importantly, if the investor can give in at least 12 to 15 months and then gradually buy the stock, I think earnings numbers are going to be much better for FY26. Hopefully consumption, for the gold jewelry market is growing. The unorganized sector share is gradually reducing, and that is being eaten away by the organized sector players. So net, I think the opportunity is large, and I think good players like PN Gadgil would benefit. But time frame for investment should be at least 1.5 years. Only then one can get a decent risk reward.
1.5 years the time period to get decent risk rewards on PN Gadgil is the view coming on. Is the view coming in from Avinash. Moving on to the next caller, Dheeraj from Hyderabad is calling in. Dheeraj, a very good morning to you. I believe you have a question on Cochin Shipyard.
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, I'm calling regarding Cochin Shipyard.
Yes, go ahead.
I'm holding 80 shares of Cochin Shipyard at 1510. I accumulated today morning.
Okay.
I saw a positive outbreak in it. So
Okay.
I would like to know to hold or sell.
Right. Since you mentioned outbreak.
Or add
Since you
add
mentioned
some more shares.
Since you mentioned outbreak, I believe you want a technical view on this particular counter.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Kushal, I'll come to you. Cochin Shipyard on the charts.
Well, I have a positive outlook on the stock. I mean, it's a good thing that he started accumulating from today, and the stock is, showcasing some strength from the demand zone near 1400 odd levels. So I believe the stock is in the stage one, which is, after a very, a deep plunge of 57%, the stock is finally undergoing some accumulation phase, and it's trying to garner strength. So it's good to hold on to the stock with a stop loss near, 1320. The risk was also quite favoring. So my sense is to hold on to a stock. I'm expecting some further upside once the stock crosses a very stiff resistance near 1766. So it's a positive view, and you should hold on to the stock.